Now we're going to prepare our pastry bag. I like to use these disposable bags because they're easy to clean up. First you cut the tip off. You can hold the coupling up to the bag to see if it's going to fit. Just put that coupling right inside. The plastic shouldn't go over the top, so I'm going to pull it back a little and trim off a little bit more. And then squeeze that coupling into place. You want to put the coupling in so that the plastic is over the threads where the screw is going to go over, but not hanging up past the plastic. I've chosen a star tip, simple star tip, number 74. And we'll fit that right up over the coupling, and then we put the screw over it. Screw that on nice and tight because you don't want any frosting coming up and out of the edge. Okay, now to fill the bag, we're going to just turn it inside out. Make a little cup with our hands. We'll just fill that up with the spatula, getting the frosting down to the bottom the best you can. Fill it right up to the top of this edge. Let's get as much in there as possible because we've got to go all the way around the cake. Okay, you don't want to fill it much more than that because you need to be able to twist the bag up. When you get it like that, you pull it out again and just shake that frosting down to the bottom. Okay, now to hold a pastry bag, you hold it, the extra plastic on top you hold between your finger and your thumb. And you're going to twist the bag and pressure. You're going to keep pressure with your thumb to keep that bag twisted. When you squeeze the frosting out of the bag, you're going to use your palm and your fingers, and that's going to squeeze the frosting out. Use this hand to guide as you're working.